This is a relatively small hole on the desk. I mean, I made a desk from plywood that has been used for several different things, and I needed a hole there for some other furniture stuff. So now I have to fill the holes. I have several of them. This is just an example. It has around 6 millimeters diameter, and I filled the bottom with a piece of paper so the glue won't come out, and I'm going to use hot glue to fill it, and let's see how it goes. Wait a second. Wipe up some excess from the glue gun, and then let's see. Slowly. Like that. Okay, and maybe with a wax paper, piece of wax paper, I can push it down slightly. No, it will stick. That's not good. So I have to put some more here, like that, and I will cut it later when it hardens. I will put some more here, like that. It's okay, I think. So let's try another hole. I will plug the bottom. I have a bigger hole here, really big. Like there. This has a 10 millimeter diameter, maybe. Do the same procedure. Slowly fill it with glue so it fits into all the cracks. You don't want to hurry. Like that. It needs some more on the sides. I think it's good. Oh, there's a bubble. How can I get the bubble out? That will cause some problems. Oh boy. Why did that bubble get there? Shit. I want no bubble. Wipe off the excess, maybe, and then it will be good. Put some more glue on top, and it will be just fine after I cut it and flatten it and stuff. Then the whole thing will be painted anyway. So hopefully it will be flat, perfectly flat, and black paint will cover it. So let's see something else. Another hole right here. So as you can see, a piece of the plywood broke out as I removed the screw or whatever. So that will be a slightly more difficult fix. I don't know if you can see how deep it is. It's quite deep. And it has a big diameter. So hopefully hot glue will fix it. If not, then I'll have to try some wood filler, or how you call it. Yes, wood filler, but I'll have to buy that. Now I only have hot glue. more stick into the gun. Yes, now it's better. I can't really see it because it's transparent when it's hot. I need to put some more here and there, and it filled it, but it's kinda too much. But after it hardens, I'll just cut it. No problem. Okay. Now let's see a double hole. Two holes broken into each other. Like that. Shouldn't be any more complicated. Just push in the glue and it's done. Now a small hole. Like that. Now a really small hole. I don't know if I can do that. Push some glue inside. Like that. Yes. Okay. Now let's see. Well, all the other holes are kind of boring. Let's see the first one. Here's the first one. It already hardened. So I'll just cut off the excess and it will be flat, hopefully. At least flat enough. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is an old piece of junk desk. And the paint will cover it anyway. How can I show you? The surface is all sorts of damaged. It has to be painted. So it just has to be flat enough with those screws sticking out that is holding the desk together. It will be fine. As long as things don't fall through. It will be perfect.